how to send photos on TikTok message. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can send photos on TikTok message, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically send photos on TikTok message, you can simply make sure to update the TikTok app to the latest version from your Galaxy Store, your Play Store or your App Store. Once you do that, open up TikTok and then simply just come to the inbox tab over here. And once you come to the inbox tab, you can select any of the people that you wish to go ahead and then share your photo with. And after you have done that, if you see under the new TikTok update, we are now able to send pictures. So you can basically just tap this little gallery icon that you can find here. Once you tap this little gallery icon, allow the access to all your photos and videos. And after you have done that, you'll be able to see a list of photos that you have. You can select photos or you can select videos, and once done, you will simply be able to send them to the required person. This way you can send photos on TikTok message. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.